Okay, here I do not have the equations, but I do have lines. And so we're going to practice writing the equations because sometimes if we see data and we have the line, we want to know how do I calculate from that. And so we want the actual equation. And so this is one way is to actually look at it, find its slope, find its y-intercept, and then we can plug it in, that y-intercept and its slope, into that form, and we can get the equation for the line. So let's look at it here. We've got 2 points marked. It's going up as we go left to right, so we know our slope is going to be positive. And going up, it looks like I went up 5, 6, 7. So I went up 7. And going across, going up, it looks like I went 1, 2 across. So my slope is set a positive 7/2, which matches because our slope, we're going up the hill from left to right. Our y-intercept, or our b, we really just want to know where does it cross the y. It looks like, whoops, I read that wrong. I'm going to have to tell you, I think I did that wrong. It's 4 up and 2, which is 6. I can't read. That was a misread on mine. That was up 6 because we went from -4 up to 0, which is 4 plus 2 is 6. That's actually reduces down to 3. I'm so sorry about that, but I just noticed I read that incorrectly. I thought it was at the -5. Okay, so our B is right here. It crosses at -4. So that's our b. So I want to plug it into our form. Y equals the slope, which is 3x plus b, but b is negative, so I'm going to say -4. And so our equation for this line is y equals 3x minus 4. Okay, let's practice this again, and hopefully I can read this time off my graph. Just be careful. That's what happens to a lot of us. These numbers and stuff get kind of close, and it's hard to read, so just double check your things. Okay, my slope, this one going from left to right, is going downhill, so it means it's going to be a negative. It looks like I went down 1, 2, down 2, so I'm going to put a 2 here, and I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went over 6. And so this is actually can reduce to -1/3. So my slope is -1/3. My b in this case is where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses at -1. And so now I have my slope and my y-intercept. I can plug it into my formula. Y equals the slope, 1/3, times x, plus the y-intercept, which is -1, so it would be -1.